Good morning, girls. So, my cold caught up with me, and I'm sick at home taking antibiotics. But hopefully, by tomorrow, I'll be back in school. But as always, we don't have time to waste one whole lesson. So, you're going to start the new topic today with the help of this video. So, first, take out your notebook and please write a big title of new topic, which is called algebra patterns. You have it here, algebra patterns. That's your new topic that we're going to start. And today's lesson is 8.2, using rules. The date, 7th of, I'll write it down, 7th of August 2019. Okay, girls. So this is the second part of algebra. You have done the first part of algebra already, and what I think is going to be the most difficult one because it was a completely new skill about learning how to solve equations. This one you have been playing with patterns and rules since primary school. So what do we, when we define about patterns, what is a pattern? So a pattern can be, is a recurrent thing, is something that repeats and that implies like when there's a rule that in this case all the shapes are following. So if we see at this one, we have the triangle, square, pentagon, triangle, square, pentagon, triangle, square, pentagon. Guess what follows? And you can continue as many times as you want because you will know that the next one will be triangle, square, pentagon. Agree? So this one is including only shape. The second pattern that we have here is shape and color. So again, we can see that the same shapes as the ones in the first row, but this time it goes green, blue, purple, green, blue, purple, green, blue, purple, and we will know that the next one will be green, blue, purple, and which shapes? The triangle, the square, and the pentagon. So in these two cases, you can see that we need this term, and you already know what a term is, in order to decide which one is the following. So we need the previous term in order to guess what is coming up. The same, I have another two examples here, but I don't think you need to do those ones because you get the idea of color. Only one more example of color and rotation. So this one we can see that is like a wheel turning to the right, because if we see this one, the green one is going to the right, and then the green one is going to the right, and then the green one is going to the right, and then the green one is going to the right. And again, we can see that the wheel is like turning towards the right, so we can guess which one is going to be the next one, but we always need the previous one. So with algebra, there's a way that we can, by finding a rule, that we can decide any term without having the previous one. And that's what we're going to do today. Okay, so let's think about some examples here. We're going to do first this example. It says, consider the number pattern 1, 4, 7, 10, and so on. The question is asking me to do two things. Describe the pattern in words and then write the next three numbers in the pattern. So if I write those numbers here and I say, okay, 1, 4, 7, 10, what is happening? I know that you already have seen it is. So I'm adding 3, I'm adding 3, I'm adding 3. So if I want to describe the pattern, I will say that I will add 3 to the previous term. So notice that we need the previous term in order to decide the following terms of the sequence. So which ones are going to be the following terms of the sequence? We know that the next terms will be 13, 16, and 19. Okay, I'll stop that video here and we will go with the next sample on the next video.